What are the common vulnerabilities found in web servers?
Common vulnerabilities found in web servers include 1. Skull injection. Attackers can manipulate queries to execute arbitrary skull code, potentially accessing or modifying the database. 2. Cross-site scripting XSS. Malicious scripts are injected into web pages viewed by other users, enabling attackers to steal cookies, session tokens, or perform other malicious actions. 3. Cross-site request forgery CASERF. Attackers trick users into executing unwanted actions on a web application in which they are authenticated. 4. Directory traversal. Attackers gain access to files and directories outside of the web root folder by manipulating URL paths. 5. Remote code execution RC. Attackers execute arbitrary code on the server due to vulnerabilities in web applications. 6. Security misconfiguration. Insecure default configurations, misconfigured HTTP headers, or